Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about 4 crypto tips for beginners. If you are still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. People say that the most important lessons are the ones we learn when we fail. I completely agree with that. Here are 4 things I learned as a crypto investor in 2021. 1. Learn about the projects. Before you buy a lot of tokens, you need to know what the project is about. If you read a project's white pages, look at its website and figure out what problem it solves, you will only invest in projects you believe in. If you invest in projects you believe in, then you won't sell out of fear and lose a lot of money when the market is down. When red comes, many people sell their bags at a huge loss only to watch the market recover over the next few days or weeks. But don't act like them. This is not the stock market. If you have invested in stocks before or keep up with the stock market, you should know that this isn't that. Even if you plan to invest in crypto for the long term, you might not be ready for how volatile the market is. Bitcoin, the most important digital currency token, went from 15,000 US dollars in 2017 to 3,000 US dollars in 2019. Even though its price has changed so much, Bitcoin is still worth more than 15,000 US dollars and is likely to be the first token that the banks, the government, and businesses use. In this volatile market, the lesson is that you need to be patient. 3. Buy cheap, sell high. If you want to make money with crypto, you will eventually have to sell tokens. This sounds easy, doesn't it? Well, some people get so attached to tokens that they don't want to sell them even though they could make more money. I am also a long-term investor, but you can be sure that I will sell some of my tokens to make money. In 2021, the price of Ethereum reached 4,800 US dollars, but now it sells for about 1,000 US dollars, which is a drop of over 60%. So don't miss out on profits, and if you really like a token, sell it high and buy it back low. If you sold some Ethereum at 4,800 US dollars, you could use the money you made to buy the dip. 4. Keep up with the leader. This last tip is only helpful if you already know how to use the other tips. If you follow leaders in the crypto space on Twitter, you will be much more successful. By setting up alerts for my favorite leaders in the space, I was able to find out about cool projects and make money. At Crypto Wizard is totally off his rocker. He called crazy plays so often that it's hard to keep up. I think the Luna dollar call he made for less than $1 is one of the best. At the end of 2021, Luna dollar reached 100 US dollars, which is an amazing 100% more. You should also follow at Lady of Crypto. Not only do I like it when she makes fun of people on Twitter, but she also has a strong background in venture capital in the cryptocurrency space. She is a leader in the way people think about new projects with small market caps. By following her, You will find out about new projects that could make you a lot of money. But that's not all. She also called Rose Dollar very early, before $10 for sure. Rose is now worth 5 times as much as it was before. She scored so many that it's hard to keep track, but I'm sure she called at least a few that grew by a factor of 50. Lastly, if you want to know more about DeFi, you must follow at Route25. He has the best ideas about this subject. I like him most because he is very humble and can explain things that are hard to understand. If you are interested in making money by farming or staking, you should follow him. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video, but you must take action to get results. And the secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Just click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.